Sa lalim ng room at buhay. Wow! As for the beginning question, so, say, serve your wife with a good slice of meat. Siyempre, ang mga magandang prinsesa dapat pinagsisilbi, ha? Ma'am, say, palagpagan naman natin ang aking bride. At dahil dyan, complete, you need to serve your husband as the provider of the family. Dapat malaki. Yan, perfect. Sabi yung kaya nila pala. Okay, now sir, KM,